Could you live without your favourite thing?
No, I cannot live without my mobile phone. I have to bring it everywhere because I will feel lost if I don't have it near me.
Do people have too many possessions?
Yes, I think they do. They tend to buy a lot of things that they don't really need at that time.
What would you really like to own?
I would really like to own an iMac. That's the newest computer that I really love to have. It has the features that are better than the previous one.
Why do people buy things they don't need?
People buy things they don't need because they feel happy when they buy it. When I feel really low, sad or something, I usually go to the shop and buy things just to make myself happier.
What's the most useless object you have?
Oh, the most useless object that I ever bought was a mug. I bought it because I thought it was cool, big mug, about this size, and I thought it was cool to have it in your workplace, but somehow it's just, I feel useless because it's too big and you cannot bring it everywhere. You cannot put it in your bag and then take it everywhere with you.
Is it better to buy things or experiences?
I like to have the experience rather than to buy things, because with experience, it's there in your memories. With items, it sometimes can be lost or stolen or whatever, but with experience, it's something that you treasure in your mind and it will be there. If you don't have an answer, just tell the examiner and move on. Good luck.